Hey, I'm Timmy D, down here on the New River, ready to do a little muddy water catfishing. Right now it's raining on me a little bit. See if I can open up my back glass. See the river soaked to the bone. Coming down pretty hard. I got a good setup out there so it'll ever quit raining. I can go see if I can tie them up. River's up, running full all the way to the top of the bank, muddy, good catfishing weather. Bye. Hey, it's Tim again, down here on the river. The rain finally slacked up a little bit. Got my setup out. Had them out for about 30 minutes. I've got one hard hit on the Johnson there, and it's baited with a night crawler. Got shiners on 3 or 4 rods, and night crawlers on about 3 or 4, but no luck yet. Of course, it's still early. It's just 1:15. They'll probably pick up here in a little bit. But yeah, it's the setup. Waiting on big catfish or carp in the muddy river. Well, folks, river action's picked up. Caught these in the past 20 minutes. Got 2 pretty good sized channels and a little carp. I missed a mudcat, 2 more channels, and a big carp. But these is one that I managed to get in. Pretty good fish. Be good eating. Still doing the same setup here. It's 10 minutes till 3. And action's starting to pick up just a little bit. I had 4 rods going off a minute ago at one time. We'll fish some more, see how good we do. Catch any more, I'll get back with y'all. Bye. Fishing trip. Big old carp. Catfish, baby carp, mudcat. We've warm out.